Or did you stop? Stay.
Excuse me.
Hey, what's up?
Excuse me.
Check it out, dude.
He's over there. He's off. He's off. He's not working today.
Get on that.
That one has one automation. Rotate the head and make it beat. So if it's a statue, when it was on the Roast Parade float, that's what I actually did with that. I built it for that.
Okay.
So I can just set it on the float and it can just look around and beat. And, you don't want to lean on the head. Thanks. He doesn't move right now, but probably next year he will be moving.
Oh,
That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
that's super the way you built that from the animated film. That's really neat.
Yeah, a lot of hours
Well, I can imagine.
freeze
Now,
framing.
did you make the molds too?
Yes. Yeah, so these are the portable silicone molds.
Yeah.
You can tell it's the bottom of a cup, right?
Right,
So you fill the bottom of this, for instance, with clay.
right.
Stick it at the bottom of the cup. Mix up your silicone, pour it over that. Once that cures in about 6 hours, just rip the cup out, pull this out, and then pour that. This is a two-part again.
Right.
Once you mix it up, it's like a syrup. You just pour it in there, and it takes about
Now, what did
15
you-
minutes, 20 minutes.
What did you use for the initial?
Right here. You have to build the model. So this
Yeah.
model is built from MDF,
Okay.
the medium density fiberboard.
Right.
You can tell right here.
Oh, okay.
So you do have to build
Right, to make the mold.
to make the mold.
Right. Yeah. And then this is made out of what?
This is the resin, the pourable resin.
Okay.
So there's two parts. Once you pour it and mix it, you mix it for about a minute, pour it in the mold, and it takes about 15 to 20 minutes.
And this is what goes on the final.
Yeah.
That is neat. So I was looking how you did the tracks there. I'm going, that's amazing. So
Yeah,
now, how did you? What did you use as a template for the track? Did you just carve it out of?
The tracks have to be carved out of wood as well. There you go.
Hey, what's going on?
That's neat.
They have to be carved out of wood as well. So there'd be a track made like this. Then you would take one mold of this guy, pour